we've got a green trade making $86 trading Roku on the short side on a $10,000 account. Let us dive into it. This sizing, like I was saying before in the past videos, is not quite what I want it to be. Definitely not quite what I want it to be, but it is okay. And this trade was cut short. A little bit less than half of what I originally was looking for, I want to say. I think I was looking for about $200 in this trade. And I'll get into the whys and all that stuff. Now, we have one open position as we speak on silver, which is still live and actually thriving. We'll see how that goes. I'm holding that one over the weekend unless something crazy happens in the next like 3 hours, which it probably won't. But we have a Roku. Now, technically there's a long here. This is me. I even put notes testing out how to scale out on this platform because I've never done it. And I did it wrong and it just made a new position. So we bite the bullet there and we lose $3.50. No biggie. But I did close the short on Roku and I made about $89.50 on the position. And this trade was, I'm going to write this out right now, was actually a bear flag. It was the first bear flag I've played in a while. And it was on the 1-day chart. Now, I got a little cold feet here. And I'll get into the whys in a second. But by the way, DX Trade, that's a platform that I trade on through 8cap as the broker. They are synced up with TradeZella, so all of this stuff is done for me. I don't have to do anything. All I got to do is come in, do whatever I want to do, write my little notes, and then the data's logged for me, which is sick. I love it. So $86. We technically went green on the month. Whew, even though there's only 4 trades, and one of those trades was essentially not even supposed to be a trade, and the other one was a break even, and the other one, whatever. Okay, so Roku, what the hell? Why do we get in Roku? Why the hell we get in? Why the hell we get out? Let's get into it. That's what we do in these videos. That's what they're for. This we talked about in the live stream. Alert went off. I'm not sure if it went off in the live stream, but it went off. We talked about it. I was like, this is a juicy one. Let's see if we can get it. And it really was, and I think it could be, but here's the concern. It's really the S&P. So absolutely beautiful move down off of earnings, right, to the downside. Big move. I mean, beautiful move as in like it got rocked. And then just absolutely beautiful consolidation. This is a beautiful consolidation. You don't get them this nice, to be honest. You don't get them this nice very often. If you even jump out to the weekly chart, it's clean. Like it's very clean. Bear flag. So we got the consolidation. We got the breakdown on high volume. Not amazing, but better than nothing. With a little perk in volume there, which was good, but nothing amazing. And a beautiful close to the downside. And you also have, sorry if I'm fired up. I don't know, dude. I just feel good. It's not nothing to do with this trade, to be honest with you. If this trade lost, I would have been the same. Because we had this massive bearish engulfing on SPY. But what's happening right now? What's happening right now as we speak? Whoop, right back up. No follow through, no continuation. That is why I have cold feet on the short side. That is why. Is it luck? Is it me with my left nut thinking that, I don't know. Is it a sixth sense? I don't know. Maybe the left nut is a sixth sense. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but all I'm going to tell you is that the reason why I got out is because of the S&P. And we know, I have seen this. I've traded these setups before over the past couple of weeks and months, so far this year, I guess. And a lot of them break down and then guess what? Whew, right back. And I do not want to get caught in that. The overall market conditions yesterday looked good for the short side. They no longer do. We were kind of on thin ice there anyway, as it is. They no longer do. And my sixth sense says, just get out. Yes, did it not hit your take profit? Yeah, I was looking for 57 or lower. And it got down to 58.42, roughly. Did it not hit my stop loss? Yes. Is it a weekend and I want to get out and I don't want to deal with it and I don't want to think about it? Yes. That is it. Simple. Not simple. That is it. So, 86, I was looking for more like 200, but okay, it is what it is. And that was it. I was risking about 100 or so. To double check here, On the portal, we are now at a $10,117 account, so we are moving the account in the right direction. And we've traded 4 out of the 7 days. We're looking to make $1,000 as our profit target. We're about 11% of the way there, right? Is that right? Yeah, 10, 11%, yeah, something like that. Math, I technically did that all through college, but it's gone. But yeah, there's the ROKU positions. So that's the deal. Now, the volume, the lot size is kind of wonky, and you might not like a half a share. No, it's not a half a share. If you jump back to TradeZella, let's see what it logs it as. It logs it as 50. So it's essentially, this is the lot size that is multiplied by 100, right? Because that'd be 50, yeah. So this multiplied by 100, which TradeZella takes care of all that, and essentially says I traded 50 CFDs, and that was it. And there are no fees here, from my understanding. There are no fees when it comes to like commissions and stuff on this platform, which is sick. I like it. So that's it. That's the trade. We are in a different account. We are in a silver position. As of right now, I have to use this account. They have like 600 stocks apparently that you can trade. As of right now, I will use this account for stocks, and I will use for anything else like Bitcoin, silver, whatever, shit like that. Futures, if I'm going to play the S&P futures, Russell, whatever, that stuff will all be done in the other account. Until I can trade stocks on the other account, I will have to trade them here, which is fine. I don't really care. It's fine. But that's kind of the deal. The other account, that's a $26,000 account and a $6,000 account. I got that as a test. Those accounts are from One of One funding, another prop firm that's fairly new. So I'm just, again, like I said, testing the waters. I'm the guinea pig. Don't look at me and say this guy has no idea what he's doing, because I really don't. When it comes to stuff, I really don't. Well, I guess you should look at me and say this guy has no idea what he's doing. But I don't know. I'm testing it out. We'll see what happens. But yeah, so that's the deal. So One of One is supposed to soon. They're through DX Trade and 8cap as well. Here's 8cap, but here's how it looks. Or here's what the account. This is the 6K account, or I guess I lost a couple of times, so now we're down at 577. But we're currently up 128 on silver. They will apparently be coming out with stocks soon. Once they have stocks, then I can have a trade copier, essentially copy positions from here over to the other one, and we're good to go. There may be some extra stocks here that we'll see, but generally speaking, we'll trade on both. Either way, simple as that. I just log. All I gotta do though is it's because it's the same thing. All I gotta do is go up here, log out of this account, log into the other account. We're good, and it's fairly straightforward. A little complicated, but it's fairly straightforward as long as I know what I'm trading. So that's the plan. That's the update. That's the trade review. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Enjoy. Go outside this weekend. I'm so pumped. This weekend's going to be amazing, and we're going to have an amazing weekend. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.